Good morning, students. I would like to remind you this Tuesday we're going to be covering the endocrine system. It's going to be the first part, and we're going to be working on the histology of the tooth, the esophagus, stomach, the ileum, jejunum, and colon. These are digestive tissues. Again, we're going to be working with the endocrine system and with the histology of these structures. Remember, you have available these slides in your course material, course content, and we're going to be focused on the endocrine system, the functions, its characteristics on the major endocrine organs and locations. We're going to be talking about hormones and structure, and this time we're going to be talking about mechanism of actions and factors influencing the regulation, and maybe we're going to be talking as well about the role of the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, hypophysis, and their relationships, and we're going to be talking about endocrine glands in details. Remember, your textbook is already available in your Blackboard site. You're going to have all of this material available in your website. For the lab, remember to check the gastrointestinal tissue organs. It's going to the tract organs. It's going to be the esophagus again, the stomach. It's going to be the ileum, jejunum, and colon. We're going to be talking about these histology and the organs during the lab session.